2910 Milwaukee Tower, turn left heading 170, runway 19 right, clear for takeoff.
Left turn 170, runway 19 right, clear for takeoff, 2910.
Spirit 2910, as you were rotating, we heard a loud banging noise. I just want to verify that didn't come from your aircraft, did it?
Yeah, it did. We think it was possibly a bird, Spirit Wings 2910.
Spirit Wings 2910, roger. Do you require any assistance?
Stand by, Spirit Wings 2910.
Spirit Wings 2910, your radar contact, remain my frequency and just let me know what you need.
Roger, Spirit Wings 2910. We'll call you right back.
Spirit Wings 2910, can you guys take an eastbound turn?
Roger, we can, and we are going to make a return, Spirit Wings 2910.
Spirit Wings 2910, roger. You're cleared back to Milwaukee Mitchell Airport via radar vectors. Turn left heading 090 and maintain 5,000.
All right, cleared back to Milwaukee via radar vectors and heading 090, maintain 5,000, Spirit Wings 2910.
Spirit Wings 2910, when able, I need souls and fuel on board, please.
Roger, stand by. And tower, Spirit Wings 2910, I got that souls on board and fuel for you.
Ready when you are.
Got 117 souls on board and right at 23,000 pounds of fuel or 233 minutes.
Spirit Wings 2910, thank you. And that's Spirit Wings 2910, turn left heading 010, and just let me know when you guys want to head inbound. You'll be ready for the approach. I'll get you to the approach controller so they can get you in.
010 and roger, Spirit Wings 2910.
Spirit Wings 2910, does it look like both of your engines are functioning properly, or are you having issues with one of them right now?
Both engines are functioning properly, but we felt a pretty heavy vibration and saw the bird and heard it, and just feel comfortable returning.
Okay, it sounds like we're gonna roll the trucks anyways, just for safety's sake, just so you're aware of that.
Roger.
Spirit Wings 2910, contact Milwaukee approach 118.0.
18-0, Spirit Wings 2910. 010.
Spirit Wings 2910 Milwaukee approach, expect vectors to the ILS runway 19 right approach, descend and maintain 2,800.
Descend and maintain 2,800, and we need a couple minutes for those vectors, Spirit Wings 2910.
Spirit Wings 2910 affirmative, just let me know when you're ready to take a vector.
Roger. Just to confirm, you still want us down to 2,800? All right, we'll stay at 5 for now then, Spirit Wings 2910.
Spirit Wings 2910, just for your information, our airport operated checked the runway and they did not find anything.
Roger, Spirit Wings 2910.
Spirit Wings 2910, descend has discretion to maintain 2,800.
2910.
Spirit Wings 2910, turn left, direct Adele.
Left direct Adele, Spirit Wings 2910.
Wings 2910, cross Adele at or above 2,800, cleared ILS runway 19 right approach.
Cross Adele at or above 2,800, cleared ILS 19 approach, Spirit Wings 2910.
Spirit Wings 2910, that's runway 19 right.
19 right, Spirit Wings 2910.
Spirit Wings 2910, contact tower 124.57.
Tower 12457, Spirit Wings 2910, thanks. Towers, Spirit Wings 2910, ILS 19 right.
Spirit Wings 2910, Milwaukee Tower, runway 19 right, clear to land, wind 120 at 7.
Clear to land, 19 right, Spirit Wings 2910.
Spirit 2910, if you can turn right there, just use caution. Those emergency vehicles should move.
Roger, we're turning right at Sierra and Spirit Wings 2910.
Is everything all right, or you need any more assistance?
So far, I think we're good. Spirit Wings 2910.
Spirit 2910, roger. We'll pass that on and contact ground 18.